you learn about Bishnuprasad Rabha in school today?
Wow, he was amazing. He did so many things. Do you know he was called Kalaguru?
Yes, because he was a master in arts like music, dance and writing. He even wrote beautiful songs and poems.
I heard he was also involved in the Indian freedom struggle. That's so brave.
Absolutely. He worked with the Indian National Congress and later joined the Communist Party of India.
And his Rabha Sangeet is still popular. My parents play his songs at home all the time.
That's true. His songs are so inspiring. They talk about love for our country and social justice.
Did you know he also worked for the upliftment of tribal communities in Assam?
Yes, he really cared about people. That's why we celebrate Rabha Diwas on June 20th every year.
Bishnuprasad Rabha truly was a hero in so many ways.